Hey everyone, this is Matt from U CAN UKE, and today I'm excited to announce that we just hit 100,000 subscribers for this channel. That's just so incredible and amazing, and I'm humbled to think that you would support this channel and allow me to be a part of your journey as you learn to play and love the ukulele. And so as a way for me to say thank you, I'm going to be giving away another ukulele courtesy of my friends from Sunstar Music. And so here's how you can get involved with this giveaway. All you have to do is leave a random comment in the comment section below of this video, because I'm going to be taking your YouTube comments and writing a song out of them. This is just a way for us to create something together to celebrate this important milestone. And then next week I'm going to be showing off the final product of the song and announcing a random winner who's left a comment for this contest. So don't wait, leave a comment, have a chance to win a free ukulele, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.